Today we are going to make an emergency light for kids. Come on kids, learn this and then try to make it yourself. First I open the box. Wow, these all things very important. Open these wires and try to open. Now you look. This is the battery cover. We will remove it and carefully place the silk inside, making sure does not break. This is power button. Now I connect the wire to this button. You look and see. First take the bulb holder. This is the bulb holder and you connect the plus wire to one side. I will connect it. This is okay. Now neutral wire. This connect to other side. Very easy. Now connect at the other side and let's try. Now open the bulb and fix in the holder of this little clip. I will open the black clip to connect the black wire. Very easy. This cap enter in the wire and connect this to the black clip. Wow. I will connect and very easy. Now turn off the red clip. I will open from the box and open the back cover, enter into the wire and connect to the clip backside. Well, this is very easy. You look kids and enjoy. Now the turn off the power button. I will connect one wire to the power button and connect clip to the power button. And black wire also connect to the battery. Wow, it is working. Very good. You look, this is working. I hope you enjoy it.